So today we are going to go over the most famous American cities that us as French, we love pronouncing completely wrong. It's not because of us, just because even like the dub movies, we hear them said this way. We are not saying those cities with the accent out of nowhere. We are just putting a very strong French accent to it.
It's how you grew up.
Exactly. So until we are proven wrong, we're gonna still pronounce them that way. But you're gonna laugh, I think.
So you're saying today the tables have turned?
The tables have turned. So we say New York.
Okay, so I'm going to tell you how you're really supposed to say it.
Teach us, Keisha.
I can teach you. You want to say it like this. New York.
New York.
Yeah.
New York?
Not New York. New York.
New York.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we say Los Angeles.
Los Angeles. Okay. Again, I'm going to show you how we Americans say it. Los Angeles.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, we're far from this. Los Angeles.
There you go.
Los Angeles.
Very good.
We can't say that, like in the middle of the conversation, like, ça se passe à Los Angeles. When...
Welcome to our world, as we say all the French things wrong. We can't do it either. We understand your pain.
I hear you. I hear you. We also say Miami.
Miami. You know what, though? That's probably closer to the way, like, the Spanish accent is on Miami. We say Miami. So most Americans are going to say Miami, but you're onto something here because, yeah.
Hey, you know, Miami.
Sounds more, exotic and everything.
Hey, Miami.
Let's go to Miami.
Exactly. What do you have, like Miami Vice? Miami Vice.
You don't say Vice? Miami Vice?
No, come on.
Oh,
you know,
okay.
like, come on.
That's going too far.
Miami Vice. No, Miami Vice.
Okay.
And now we say San Francisco.
San Francisco.
San Francisco.
Okay.
I
would have expected something like that.
Oh, yeah, that's good. San Francisco. We are even far from the Spanish version of that one.
Shoot. All right. So the way most Americans say it, the way we say it, San Francisco.
San Francisco.
Yeah.
Sounds better, honestly, than San Francisco. It's very... But the problem is, at work, whatever, like we would say, oh yeah, je suis basé à San Francisco.
Yeah.
Like, that... Serious.
That's how you grew up hearing it. So of course you're going to say it like that.
We have songs as well, and French songs that are mentioning the city, San Francisco, like this.
Nope.
Okay. One for you, Maxime Le Forestier. This is a famous song. We say Las Vegas.
That's not too far, actually. We just say Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Las Vegas.
Hey, we're going to Las Vegas this week.
Yes, we're going to Las Vegas actually in 5 days, I think. Yeah.
Something like that.
It's crazy. Ooh, gonna be like...
Ooh,
days. Yes.
Yeah.
We say Chicago.
Oh, okay. That one's a little different.
I know. Teach us, Keisha, please.
So it's not Chicago. It's Chicago.
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 Yeah.
The R, just like taco
Yeah.
as well. Same R, right?
Yeah.
It's so weird, this R. But you know what? Respect Chicago, not Chicago.
Not Chicago.
Not Chicago Bulls?
No, it's Chicago Bulls.
Chicago Bulls.
Yeah.
We would say Chicago Bulls. Ah,
Very cute, though. It's
know.
adorable.
I know. On dit Washington, D.C.
First of all, on dit is, we say, for those Americans out there, Washington Quoi?
D.C.
Washington D.C.
Ou Washington, D.C. On pourrait peut-être, ceux qui sont un peu... Some people that are like knowledgeable of it, they would say Washington, D.C.
Yeah, to be a little more American.
Yeah, but we're still saying Washington.
Washington instead of Washington.
Exactly. Well, we're far. But in the news, when we talk about the government, American government in France, en direct de Washington, live from Washington.
I think that was one of the things that really surprised me whenever I was in France. All the American words that you guys say with a French accent, and it's like you don't know you're doing it. It's just like you think it's right. And I mean, of course you do. You grew up that way. It's just like we do with the French words. Same thing.
Exactly. And on Washington D.C., that one we don't say DC. We think that just Washington is fine. The problem in the US is Washington is a state, the state of Washington. So if you don't say District of Columbia, you don't know which Washington you're talking about. In fact, Washington alone doesn't exist to talk about the city. It has to be saying Washington DC. Or sometimes I think I heard you saying just DC actually.
Yeah, a lot of people say DC.
DC.
True.
So it's very interesting because I'm pretty sure that most of the time we don't say the DC just to talk about the city.
Yeah. I think we say DC probably more than we say Washington, DC.
Yeah, that's very true actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. We say Boston.
Boston. Boston. That's what it sounds like. Bustun. Boston.
Boston. Yeah.
But we actually say Boston.
Boston.
Yeah, it's that "ah" again. Boston.
Boston. Okay.
Yeah.
That sounds good. Better than les Boston Celtics.
Celtics.
Mm-hmm. Boston Celtics.
So we would say the Boston Celtics.
Oh, so classy comparing to us.
Classy?
Yeah, Boston Celtics. Yeah. Instead
don't-
of like Boston Celtics.
I think the French accent is sounding classy. Ours sounds more casual to me. But it's funny because I hear a lot of French people in the comments too say that our American version sounds classier. And I think it's just because, we're intrigued by what we don't know. So to you French people, it may sound classy. To us, the French accent usually sounds more classy.
That's probably true because I felt it right away when you say Boston. So it's anchored. I feel it. You know what I mean?
And your mom has said that to me before. She's like, "Oh, it's so fancy," and I'm
fancy.
like, "Oh, fancy? Yeah, no."
Yeah, Boston Red Sox, for instance, is Boston Red Sox.
Red Sox. So we say Red Sox.
Red Sox.
Yeah.
Red Sox. Okay, cool. No, same thing. Super classy. We say Seattle.
Seattle.
I know.
I'm not even sure if people know what we're saying right now.
Seattle.
Okay, so we say Seattle.
Yeah, Seattle.
Yeah, it's very good
I
that
know.
you.
Seattle, but I had to learn because at work, whatever, I've said many times Seattle, and I'm not gonna say in Seattle. Oh, you're based in Seattle? No, not at all. I mean, Seattle, yes, but not Seattle.
But it is kind of hard to do because you have to say Seat, and then you end with that T, but then you just go right into the L, and it's almost like a DL. So Seattle.
Yeah, Seattle, and exactly that, like this DTD type of thing that creates almost like a D. That's probably the best way to master it is to make a D out of your.
Seattle.
We say Dallas.
Dallas. And I know that you know how to say it right because we live very close to Dallas.
Exactly.
And that's how we say it. Dallas.
Dallas, not Dallas. We think about the show, the famous show Dallas. It's like that's why, and they were saying Dallas, right?
I don't know.
Destinée incroyable or whatever. Yeah.
That's not the song that we had.
Yeah.
So I was really surprised to hear from your mom and you that Dallas, the show, was broadcast in France, and you guys grew up watching that too.
It was super famous, more in the 80s, I would say. 80s, yeah. I think it's 80s the prime. And it was super iconic. And by the way, all the Dallas episodes were dubbed, right? So that's why, and even the music in the intro music was a French music, because it was also very popular that those sitcoms and shows, sometimes we were replacing the music, the entrance, with the French music.
I was going to say that. I don't think that was the song. I mean, we didn't have words on ours. It was just music.
Yeah, there was this big trend, which I love, by the way, because it creates so much memories, to have like an original singer starting a song, writing a text.
True,
And
like
just-
lyrics for...
lyrics and just like singing about the show. It's pretty cool. It's
pretty
cool.
interesting.
Yeah. So yeah.
And then when your parents visited here, where we live, we took them to South Fork Ranch, which is the ranch on the show Dallas.
Exactly.
So that was an interesting experience.
The movie set that is there. I mean, a movie set in the set of movie in the location that they filmed at, right?
Film, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, this is one of the movie set that they had in the show, and we could visit it, and it was so cool for my mom and dad to see actually where the scenes were shot, and they remembered it. And
Yeah.
it's crazy. The pool, they mentioned the pool many times as well, and yeah, and the long like road in the front with the trees. Anyway, they were very excited.
Yeah, it's very cool.
That's cool.
So Dallas.
Dallas. Oh, Dallas. So this one is a very famous one. We say Houston.
And you say, I've heard you say before, on a un problème.
Yeah, Houston, on a un problème.
Like Houston, we have a problem, like the NASA.
The NASA, exactly. It's like, it's not even command, like, you know, because we say prime command or whatever, we have a problem. It's like, Houston, on a un problème. It's so famous now. It's like the iconic thing that we hear in American movies when you guys are in space and you have a problem.
We just say Houston. We put the huh, you know, and we say you, Houston, not Houston, you know?
Yeah.
Houston.
We still say Houston, but Houston. Like, yeah, up to this day, I'm still saying Houston.
Houston?
Houston.
Houston? Oh,
But
okay.
not with the Houston.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Got it.
We say Philadelphia. I know. Sorry. We changed it.
Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Oh my goodness. Okay. That one's quite different.
I know.
I mean, I know what you're saying, but we would say Philadelphia.
Oh, oops. So we changed it.
Actually changed the ending of it. It's just Philadelphia.
It's not the only one that we are changing the end of it. Some states as well, some other cities. But the correct way is Philadelphia.
Yeah, Phil, not Philadelphia, but Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Yeah.
Philadelphia, like Phil Collins.
I mean, you want to put your accent more like on the del part.
Okay, so Philadelphia.
Yeah, Philadelphia.
Oh, okay, Philadelphia.
Yeah. I'm sure someone out there will say they don't do it that way, but that's how I say it. So that's it. That's how he's going to say it. Got
Exactly. So if I want to go to Philadelphia, or if I want to eat Philadelphia cream cheese.
it? Exactly.
Hey, we have the Philadelphia in France too.
The cream cheese.
The cream cheese, and we say Philadelphia.
You say Philadelphia,
I think so.
but then you say for the city, Philadelphia. What kind of sense does that make?
We don't know. Better.
Yeah.
We need
And the funny thing is, we say cream cheese. They literally call cream cheese Philadelphia. So we need some Philadelphia for this recipe.
I know.
We say we need cream cheese for the recipe. They say
We need Philadelphia for the recipe. We got it pretty much wrong. We need a Keisha. We need a Keisha in France that is always there. No.
no, it's not like that.
Exactly.
It's like this.
Hey. We say Phoenix.
Phoenix. It's almost like you switch the sounds of the vowels because it's Phoenix.
Oh, Phoenix.
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 Not nex. Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Yeah, Phoenix.
Okay, Phoenix.
Not
Alright.
Phoenix.
And by the way, Phoenix, the you know the mythical animal creature. We say Phoenix as well.
Yeah, like the phoenix rises from
Right.
the ashes.
Exactly.
How do you say that in French?
Le phénix qui renaît de ses cendres.
Oh, René, c'est ses cendres. I don't know what I just said.
De cendre.
Let me-
Ah oui, cendre,
yeah,
because of that.
Cendre.
Cendre. Oh, I want to take a François.
He's talking about the Key and Peele skit that
Yes.
the guy pretends he knows to speak French, and it's super funny if anybody hasn't seen it.
You gotta see it. It's
Yeah.
so funny.
One of our followers actually sent that to us recently in our DMs.
Yeah.
I haven't replied yet, but it's super funny.
It's very, very, very funny.
We've seen it though like millions of times because it's so funny. We even showed your parents.
Exactly. And even like Colin showed us that. And the last one, Orlando.
Orlando. Oh my goodness. I didn't even know what you were saying for a second. I don't know why. Yeah, it's not Orlando.
No?
It's no. It's Orlando.
Orlando.
And we're going there next month.
Exactly. We have 3 cities. One of us or both of us are going.
3?
Yeah, Boston.
Boston, Las Vegas, Orlando.
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 Yeah, we are not doing the Orlando. We just say Orlando.
You don't like my but
No,
you do some really
yeah.
loud. So
Yeah, but
sorry.
We control ourselves. Come on.
No. There was one that you did the other day that was like so it even like rattled my ears in the video. So.
Probably. But on this case, it's Orlando, right?
Orlando.
Yeah. Orlando. And that concludes the American cities said by a Frenchman, me.
You did a great job learning how to say them the right way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You put me back on the right track to now not say Orlando or Philadelphia, but Philadelphia.
Now you know.
Orlando. Yes, thank you so much.
All right. Well, thanks, y'all.
Et à bientôt.